Hello friends, I hearty welcomes back you on this study channel. Today I Wasid Khan before you with science. In science class 8, first chapter I'm just going to take, that is crop production and management. Through this chapter we will learn what is the crop pattern as well as management of crop in India. So let us start without wasting your valuable time. In this chapter, we will learn specially about the India's cropping pattern system. So first, before going to the main topic, I just want to share something basic knowledge related to the agriculture. As we all know, India is an agricultural country. Here, more than 65 population of India directly depend on agriculture as well as its allied activities. So it is a prior duty to know about the India's system. You have already learned in your previous class that all living things may be small microorganisms and maybe as big as elephant and as big as whale needs foods, and we all know our almost foods comes from plants and animals. So this chapter will share basic knowledge related to plants, crops and their management. So first of all, I just want to tell you about crop. What is crop? Crop क्या है? Means जिसको आप फसल बोलते हो, उसको as in definition अपन क्या बोलेंगे? When plants of when plants of the same kind when the plants of same kind are cultivated at one place on a large place, at one place on large land, on large land या maybe on large scale area, on large land and large scale is called crop. यानी क्रॉप अपन किसको कहेंगे? जब when plants of the same kind, जब एक ही तरह के, यानी जैसे एक ही तरह का सपोज करो जैसे व्हीट है, बार्ले है, मैज है, ठीक है, मे बी राइस आल्सो, सेम प्लांट्स बहुत बड़े एरिया पे यानी लार्ज एरिया पे या लार्ज स्केल एरिया पे एक साथ ग्रो किया जाता है, कल्टीवेटेड किया जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड क्रॉप. उसको क्या कहेंगे अपन? क्रॉप कहेंगे. यानी फसल किसको कहेंगे? जब एक बड़े एरिया में एक साथ एक ही कैटेगरी के प्लांट्स को ग्रो किया जाता है, जैसे व्हीट ग्रो कर लिया, राइस ग्रो कर लिया, तो उस प्रोसेस को जो आपने ग्रो किया है, ठीक है, उस कल्टीवेटेड जो क्रॉप कल्टीवेटेड जो प्लांट्स है उसको अपन क्रॉप कहेंगे. As we all know, in India there are many types of farming is practiced, but broadly the India's agriculture system is divided into two categories, that is Kharif and Rabi. That is Kharif and Rabi. The first category I'm just going to explain, that is Kharif. As you are very similar to this category because in your previous class you already have learned some basic knowledge about Kharif and Rabi. In this chapter we will again learn about this cropping pattern system. So first we are going to take, that is Kharif crops. India's agriculture system broadly divided into two parts, Kharif crop and Rabi crop. So Kharif crop is this crop, the crop which are sown in the rainy season. The crops which are sown in the rainy season The crops which are sown in the rainy season are called kharif crops. एग्जाम्पल, यानी जो क्रॉप रेनी सीजन यानी बारिश के मौसम में लगाई जाती है या ग्रो की जाती है, उसको अपन क्या कहेंगे? खरीफ क्रॉप्स कहेंगे। जैसे पेडी, मैज, पेडी, मैज, सोयाबीन एक्सेट्रा, ये क्या है? इस खरीफ के एग्जाम्पल्स है। एंड द टाइम ऑफ दिस क्रॉप इज मीन्स कौन से टाइम में, यानी थ्रू आउट द 12 months आर देयर इन 1 year, इन विच मंथ्स वी विल ग्रो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्रॉप। सो द टाइम इज फिक्स टाइम June to September. Yes, students, I hope you enjoyed this video very much. Tomorrow we'll continue this same session. Thank you very much and take care.